No matter where you are in life right now, one of your goals should be for your finances to continuously increase or get better. The reasons why may vary. To some, this is to get financially free from debt, and to others, this is to develop their own business. The common ground? We all want to be rich to the extent that we are able to provide for both our needs, wants, and growth. Many of us dream of this, but not many succeed. This is because of the sole reason that not a lot of us know how to grow our own wealth. We have money, but it's either we spend it all away or it just sits there stagnant. If you want to stop living that kind of financial status, continue to watch as Finance Aligned brings to you how to grow your wealth exponentially using the ECd Rule. But before we get started, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can join a community where learning about finance is welcomed and encouraged. You can also click the notification bell so that we can notify you whenever we post new videos online. Now that we've got that covered, let's get straight to the video. For starters, the ECd Rule, or ECd formula, stands for Elimination, Creation, and Diversification. There are three important aspects to investing. We know, it may sound like it's a lot of information to handle, but don't worry. Here at Finance Aligned, we'll walk you through each of them. Just follow along and be ready to grow your finances exponentially. First, we have elimination. As the name suggests, it will ask you to remove or discard things. This does not necessarily mean letting go of material things, but more of factors or aspects that could be stopping you from reaching the full potential of your finances. For example, there are some people that no matter how big their salary is, they still live from paycheck to paycheck. This may be because of one of the following: unsettled debts, a poor money mindset, or poor spending habits. These are financial baggage that you need to eliminate first, or else you'll start to see the downfall of your finances. If you know that you borrowed money from someone or you applied for a loan, make sure you are able to pay for it. Don't just borrow money and forget about returning it. Although it may seem okay to you, this will hold your finances down. If you took a loan, not paying it on time would mean you have to deal with interest. More often than not, the interest rates are so high that it keeps the borrower in deeper debt. In order to avoid this, pay your debt as soon as you can and only borrow what you can pay for. If you have a poor money mindset, make sure you discard it through seminars from successful people or being around those who have positive views on finances too. If you have poor spending habits, it won't be easy to get rid of. You have to ask yourself first why you have to buy such things. Is it because you think you have to have everything to be on top of everyone? Or is it because everyone has it, so you have to have them too? If you want to grow your money exponentially, you also need to be careful and intentional with your expenses. This means you need to start unlearning impulse buying. If you are using retail therapy as a way to cope with what you are going through in life, start considering other healthier coping mechanisms. You can go to art, writing, and even exercise just to keep your mind busy. The second most important point is creation. This refers to creating a scalable income solution. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Wherever you look at it, it's quite impossible to get super rich in a short amount of time without doing anything. Even when you are employed and have a stable income, it's not that easy to earn heaps of money. This is why you need to look for ways to earn money out of traditional means. In this step, you need to identify a value proposition that you know you can offer to others. Once you've identified such, you can proceed to scaling it to the masses. This is often done through YouTube these days, where a YouTube channel is introducing content as such, and usually in areas or fields that they're knowledgeable and interested in, as well as selling products and services online. You can do these things, but you have to remember that the things you offer should be seen as important and unique as well. Once you've seen that what you're offering is starting to gain more people wanting it, you can start reassessing your charges and change it as you see fit. Now, you may be asking, why not just stick to investing? Well, yes, investing is a good thing, and compound interest surely has its own power and advantages, but as we all know, it does not show up right away. Sure, it's better to be slow, but even investing hundreds of dollars will take you around years to see it grow to $1 million. This is why if you have the means to do so, make sure to venture into scalable income solutions. This will not only increase your experience in business and finance, but will also help you see the profit each month. In doing this component of the ECd formula, you have to always remember to invest and put your money in things wisely. You can do this into any asset and any services you can think of, but the best way to go is to diversify. This brings us to the final component of the ECd formula, which is diversify. This means that in order to see the maximum potential of your profits, you can invest in diverse assets. You can put some in traditional ones while the others in new age assets. Although, yes, you'll need to shell out more money for this, but you can experience a wide range of benefits with this. For example, if you have a physical business, you can spend your time on this to gain profit while also gaining some in cryptocurrencies even without spending a lot of time on it. If you vary your investments, you can make sure that you're able to capitalize on higher returns. We know that it is difficult to do away with traditional ways of earning, which is why this method will work for you because it does not require you to get rid of it altogether. In fact, it even encourages you to create a healthy blend between the two. Use these different sides to your advantage. That is all for the ECD formula. We know it may sound easy, but there will still be hurdles along the way by using this formula. What's important is the fact that you do not get discouraged. This formula has been used by many and has been proven effective, and in fact, there are already a lot of young people who gained their millions at such an early age through this method. If you want to be like them, then you can use this video as a guide and be prepared to get amazed at how fast your income will increase. That ends our video for today. We hope you've learned a thing or two. If you did, please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. We would love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, and reactions. If you want similar videos, do not forget to subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. Until next time, bye!